In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Global Search in Salesforce. Think of Global Search as your fast lane to the information you need. You'll find the search bar right at the top of your Salesforce interface, and it's designed to be available from almost anywhere you work. When you're ready to find something, place your cursor in that bar and simply type the keyword related to the item you want to open. This could be the name of an account, a contact, a lead, an opportunity, or other records you use every day. Keep your keyword clear and specific. Short names, unique identifiers, or recognizable phrases generally work best. As you type, Salesforce begins surfacing results that match your keyword. You'll see items grouped by their record type, like accounts or contacts, which helps you quickly scan what's relevant. When you spot the record you need, just click it to open. That's all there is to performing a basic search and jumping straight into your work. Now, it's important to understand that not everything in Salesforce is searchable by default. Some fields might be excluded for security or performance reasons, and certain sensitive information is intentionally not indexed. If you're not seeing the results you expect and you have the right permissions, you can adjust which fields are included in search. To do that, click the gear icon in the top right corner of Salesforce and select Open Advanced Setup. This takes you into the admin area where search settings live. In the Setup search box, type Search Setup and click the matching result. Here, you can review and choose which objects and their index fields are enabled for global search. Enabling indexing on the fields that matter most, like key names, IDs, or reference details, helps make those fields searchable. Be thoughtful about what you enable. Index only the fields that genuinely help people find what they need, and keep sensitive information protected. Also, note that changes might take a little time to take effect as Salesforce reindexes your data. And there you go. To recap, the global search bar at the top is your starting point. Type a clear keyword, scan the results, and click the record you want. If something isn't appearing and you have access to do so, refine the searchable fields in Search Setup through the gear icon and Open Advanced Setup. With these steps, you'll navigate Salesforce faster and more confidently, finding the right records exactly when you need them.